Okay, usapang PC Optimum Points naman tayo. So, kung nasa Canada ka at nag-shop ka sa mga stores ng Loblaws, like Superstore, Shoppers, No Frills, so narinig mo rin cashier, tatanong sa'yo, do you have a PC Optimum card? And I will show you how great this point system is if you know how to take advantage of it. Okay, kung wala ka pa nung app, i-download mo lang itong PC Optimum. So, ganito yung itsura niya. This is my points right now. I'm actually saving it for the redemption. But anyway, ito yung itsura ng app. Pag pupunta kayo ng offers, merong ganito. So, kung pupunta ka Superstore, if you spent $15 on shampoo, meron kang 1,500. Ang conversion pala ng points is 1,000 points to $1. So, this translates to $1.50. Meron ding mga personalized na offers like we usually buy this muffin. Not sure why I still have Gerber offers, but it's there, and some water. So this is one reason why this PC Optimum points is good. So as you can see here, ang redemption is pag may 200,000 points ka, which technically is just equivalent to $200 because 1,000 points is $1, magkakaroon ka ng $300 off sa Shoppers. So this is the reason why I save my points. And this is the redemption I'm talking about. So kung may 250,000 points ka, meron kang $400 off sa Shoppers. Yung iba sasabihin, ang mahal-mahal ng Shoppers, ano namang mabibili mo doon? I'll show you some of my redemptions throughout the years. So as you can see here, this is 2017 redemption and I got PS4. I also got makeup. Mostly, pinangregalo ko lang ito. Clinique, gift sets. Meron tayong Lancome and Elizabeth Arden set. In 2019, I was able to grab this camera. So, meron akong breakdown dyan. So, marami kang mabibili sa Shoppers na electronics if you just look into the stores. Noong 2021, I redeemed this one as well. So, you can see here my laptop, my gift sets, Clinique again, and something that I give away during Christmas is yung mga PC cookies and chocolates. This is how much the laptop I got. It's around $700. And for this year, I was able to accumulate almost $500 worth of points. Kung babalikan natin to, meron akong 2 sets ng 250,000 points. That means my points is over $800 worth of items. So yeah, if you are wondering paano ba mag-ipon ng points, I'll show you how. So this is from my grocery, just the 23rd. I earned 9,700. Yes, I paid $120. Alam natin, medyo mahal ang bilihin ngayon. But then, I earned 700 points for buying garlic. My family loves blueberries. And I ran out of Ziploc, so I got some. And I just earned almost $10 just buying the stuff that I am usually buying. Tapos sa Shoppers Drug Mart, may binili din ako. As you can see here, I paid $78.75, but I earned around 64.50 in terms of dollar value. So sa gas, meron din kaming offer. As you can see here, naggas kami almost $55 and I earned almost $8 worth of points. On top of that, I used my PC World Elite credit card, and every dollar I spent, they add points. So yeah, throughout the year, iniipon ko lang lahat ng points just to prepare for the, I think it was called Mega Redemption. So around November, mga first week of November, magkakaroon ng promo na ganun para i-redeem yung mga points, and then I might show you what I'm getting. So yun lang, it's an extra effort to scan the app, but it will take a second. Hindi naman siya mahirap, so might as well earn those points. Yun lang.